This is problem number 1 from your homework. The main reason I want to help you get through this problem is to show you how the answers are set up on your worksheet. Your worksheet has 15 problems on it, and if you'll just kind of follow it, you'll see that there are 4 columns. The first column is the problem. So I want to kind of start this and show you how it's set up. The first thing you're going to do is set up your A, B, C, D. I know that A, the coefficient of A squared, is 1. B, the coefficient of A is 12. And C, the constant, is 32. I'm looking for the discriminant, and I'm looking for X. So we start with the discriminant, which is B squared minus 4AC. So the discriminant is 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 32. When you calculate that, 12 squared minus 4 times 1 times 32, you'll see that it's going to equal to 16. Now, this 16 tells you a couple of things. One, because it's a perfect square, you know that your roots are going to be rational, and your answer is not going to have a square root, because I can take the square root of 16. But to check this, and that's what I would do second, if you look at the discriminant column, if you look at that column, you'll see that all the discriminants are from least to greatest. They start at negative 83 and they go down to 584. So what you want to do is find that D equals 16, and you can mark that off. If this is not in that column, then you haven't found the correct discriminant, and there's no use of going on because your answer is going to be incorrect. So the first thing you want to do is check to make sure that you have that discriminant. Then you want to plug it into your equation. X equals opposite B plus or minus square root B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. And you want to solve it. You want it to work through, take the square root where you can. So I have negative 12 plus or minus 4, the square root of 16, all over 2. And so now I have 2 answers that I know I'm going to have. Negative 12 plus 4 divided by 2. And I'm going to have negative 12 minus 4 divided by 2. Well, negative 12 plus 4 is negative 8. Divided by 2 is negative 4. Negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16. Divided by 2 is negative 8. So I know that my answers are going to be negative 8, negative 4. Now I'm going to go look for those answers, negative 8, negative 4. And you'll see them down there closer to the bottom. Now the last 2 columns are hooked together. So when I'm looking at negative 8, negative 4, go right across, and it tells you what kind of roots they are. And in this case, I found that answer, and attached with it there are 2 real, and they are rational roots. So these are 2 real rational roots because they don't have a square root in the answer. So you finish out 2 through 15, and those answers are on there in that manner.